one of the last few remaining. Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5, the traveler with Becky the Trekkie. We're at the Scream Zone at Carowinds, and we're going to go on the drop tower. There it is up there. We'll bring you on board point of view for the drop and let you know what we think of the tower when we get back. Fingers crossed.
Welcome, all the articles along the fence, outside, souvenir cups and cell phones. Once you get to your seat, go ahead and pull down on your harness and buckle your seatbelt. Attendant will be there to help you shortly.
Where does this go?
In the buckle.
It was all like...
Roxanne, you got your hair tucked in your shirt?
Yeah, but...
Alright, just lock your hair in and you'll be okay. We're gonna go up for a quick drop, Becky. Should be a good ride. We'll see how she goes. Okay, we're going. We're gonna go for the drop. Keep arms inside the ride vehicles and keep legs in proper position at all times. Okay.
All clear for dispatch. Going up.
We're going up, Becky. Here we go, everybody.
Oh, God. Oh, holy moly. Whoa! Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Okay, not going on.
That's a quick fall and a quick stop. Woo!
Welcome back. Go ahead and pinch your seatbelt, lift up your harness, exit towards Hurler and
That was a good ride, but boy, it's intimidating. I gotta admit, even me. Something. Well, we'll see what we think. We did okay. We did okay. All right, coming off a drop tower. What'd you think of this one?
It was a little intense, like going up, it kind of shoots you up really fast. But yeah, that drop always gets me.
I gotta say, yeah, the different sides go up at different speeds, so you don't quite know. It'll start slow and then it kind of rushes you up towards the top real fast. And then when you get to the final green, you think you're there, but you're not. And then it's kind of like creeps up like another 6 feet. And then when it lets go, it is fast down to like the midsection, like the burgundy and then the purple. It's really like a quick stop.
Oh, yeah.
So it just brings you to an abrupt halt. But it's a nice one. These moving chain part ones and things like that, just kind of make sure you got everything tucked in. Like they say, don't stick your feet out, don't lean forward, don't have your hair flowing in the breeze, any of that good stuff. And really, it's a-okay as long as they're checking it. It's well maintained. I didn't feel unsafe on there, but it's just a little bit of an intimidation factor with I think with the drop tower. But that's what they're for. You know, you're supposed to get the heart pumping, but it's a fast ride, like real quick. I wouldn't mind seeing them do like a second shot. Maybe they should do the double shot drop tower on this. Might be nice. You know, if they took you right back up immediately, didn't give you time to think about it, it might make for a interesting ride. But anyway, that's my advice. So if you stuck with this long and you haven't subscribed or watched our videos and haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Big thank you to all our new subscribers out there. We appreciate you, and we'll see all our fellow travelers on the next ride and review soon. Bye, everybody.